Does your child love exploring and discovering tiny details around them? Want to show them a whole new hidden world that can't be seen with the naked eye? But not sure which microscope is best for kids? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best digital microscopes specially designed for kids. So make sure to watch till the end, because the perfect one for your child might be right here. Number 1. Pocket Digital Microscope with 2-inch IPS screen. The Pocket Digital Microscope with a 2-inch IPS screen is a compact and powerful tool designed especially for kids and beginners who want to explore the microscopic world. With up to 1000x magnification, it allows users to clearly observe tiny details such as plant cells, insects, and small objects with impressive clarity. The built-in IPS display provides sharp and vibrant visuals, making the viewing experience more engaging and enjoyable. This microscope features 8 adjustable LED lights that help improve visibility in different lighting conditions, ensuring clear images even in low-light environments. Its handheld and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, making it perfect for outdoor exploration, school projects, or casual learning at home. The simple controls make it easy for children to operate without any difficulty. It is designed to be durable and user-friendly, allowing long-term use without hassle. Whether for education or fun, this microscope offers a great way to spark curiosity and creativity. Overall, it is a perfect combination of portability, performance, and ease of use for young learners. Number 2. 1600x Handheld Microscope with Camera. The 1600x Handheld Microscope P02 is a versatile and portable device designed to provide a detailed and immersive viewing experience for kids and students. With powerful 1600x magnification, it allows users to observe even finer details, making it ideal for educational purposes and scientific exploration. It comes with a 2-inch screen that displays clear and sharp images in real time, eliminating the need for external devices during basic use. One of its key features is the built-in camera function, which allows users to capture photos of what they observe. This makes learning more interactive and helps users save and share their discoveries. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the simple controls ensure smooth operation for beginners. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, offering flexibility for different learning environments. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, even with regular handling by kids. Overall, the P02 microscope combines strong magnification, portability, and useful features, making it a great tool for curious minds. Number 3. CM4 Kids Digital Microscope with PC View. The CM4 Kids Digital Microscope is a modern and feature-rich device designed for both kids and adults who are interested in exploring microscopic details. With up to 1000x magnification, it provides clear and detailed visuals, making it ideal for studying small objects like insects, fabrics, and plant structures. It features a 2-inch IPS screen that delivers bright and sharp images for easy viewing. One of its standout features is the PC connectivity option, which allows users to connect the microscope to a computer for a larger display. This makes it perfect for group learning, presentations, or detailed observation. The handheld design ensures portability, allowing users to carry it easily wherever they go. It also includes built-in LED lighting to enhance visibility in various conditions. The controls are simple and user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners as well as more advanced users. Its durable build ensures reliability for long-term use. Overall, the CM4 microscope offers flexibility, clear imaging, and added connectivity, making it an excellent educational tool. Number 4. Rechargeable 1000x Mini Pocket Microscope. The Rechargeable 1000x Mini Pocket Microscope is a compact and efficient device designed for kids, students, and beginners. With up to 1000x magnification, it allows users to explore the microscopic world in a fun and engaging way. It is perfect for observing small objects, textures, and details that are not visible to the naked eye. This microscope features a 2.0-inch screen that provides clear visuals, making it easy to view objects without needing additional equipment. The rechargeable battery ensures convenience, allowing users to use the device anywhere without worrying about constant battery replacement. Its portable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, outdoor exploration, and classroom use. The built-in LED lights help improve image clarity by providing proper illumination. The device is easy to operate, making it suitable for children and beginners. It is also designed to be durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Overall, this mini microscope offers a perfect balance of portability, functionality, and ease of use, making it a great educational tool and gift option. Number 5. 3.0-inch 1080p Kids Digital Microscope. The 3.0-inch 1080p Kids Digital Microscope is a high-quality device designed to deliver a superior viewing experience for young learners. With 1080p resolution and up to 1000x magnification, it provides clear and detailed images, making it ideal for educational and recreational use. The large 3.0-inch screen offers a comfortable viewing experience, allowing users to observe details more easily compared to smaller displays. It also features a 2MP camera, enabling users to capture photos and videos of their observations for later review. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, this microscope ensures proper lighting in different environments, improving image clarity. Its handheld and portable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. The simple interface allows easy operation, making it suitable for kids and beginners. It is built with durability in mind, ensuring long-term usability. Overall, this microscope combines high resolution, larger display, and practical features, making it an excellent choice for education, exploration, and gifting. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.